today I'm just going to kind of run through the system basically and just show people how to use it. Hopefully some people have used it already. So essentially within the young person's record, there's a new icon within the banner at the top. So if you can see here, the EPHR icon, once that's clicked, that basically takes you to a landing page. And once there's a CAMHS Outcomes tab in the top left-hand corner, basically click that, and then you arrive at the dashboard. So essentially, the system is accessible via 2 clicks from EPJS, and so now basically we're in the dashboard. The first page is basically is the most recent measures completed, and this is both kind of My Health E collected data and data which is collected directly from EPJS. So here we can just see the different domains of the SDQ, the most recent CGAS, most recent SNAP, and the most recent ARCADS. So in the bottom left-hand corner, there's a series of tabs, and once clicked, this basically takes you to a more sort of longitudinal presentation. So it's looking at data collected over the previous two years. So it's obviously we've recently added clinical cutoff points and sort of indicators of meaningful change, basically. So as we just scroll down, you can see the different domains. So there's basically a similar presentation for all the measures. So here's the CGAS, the SNAP, the ARCADS, and more recently we were asked to add goal-based outcomes to the system. So that's now available. I know it's not that widely used in CAMHS, but if, for example, it is entered onto EPJS, then this visualization is available. And so I think the next step basically is my colleague is now in the process of adding the HNOSCA. That's obviously mainly more relevant to the kind of adolescent inpatient services, but that will be available by the end of this week. And then if you see any of these information icons anywhere in the system, basically it just takes you to a external resource with more information about that specific measure.